In this video, I will show you how to earn $20 every time just by choosing yes, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Yes, we always look at small amounts, but not in this case, because my website will show you that earning from $5 to $20, it's not something to ignore, and you can earn it very quickly. And they can pay you more than $200 to $300 in just one day. You can also cash out instantly through various payments options. Of course, this website is 100% free with no investment required. It is now available for all different countries. Before starting, tell me in the comments which country you are from and which payments methods you can use to start an online business. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. First, I'm going to go to this website called enrollup.com. I will put the website address in the comment. When you reach the homepage, you will see here, this is a 100% legit company that is currently in high demand and popular in the industry. No experience or technical skills are required for this opportunity to earn money from home. Pay close attention as I show you the steps so you can start making money today. When you are on the EnrollUp homepage, go to the right where the green sign-in button is located. Click on that and then it will take you to this page where you can enter your password email address, right? The process is simple, but I also ask you to check your email, because if this is your first time sign up for a free account, you will need to click on the confirmation link sent to the email address you provide. Active your account. After login, you will see advanced mission data on your dashboard, which tracks your progress. Every time you complete a mission, there is a call symbol on the progress meter that starts on the left and moves forward and to the right. The little cow moves any progress you've made by completing projects and mission. But here is the best part, and that is getting extra cash prize and bonus money. That's why I recommend this the beginners and novices. And as I said, you don't need to invest. I want to tell you a little secret trick that I found out after working on this website. The first thing you'll notice on the car dashboard is that when you scroll down, you can see the surveys and the number of surveys you've answered. Surveys are questions written below that you have to answer, and after answering, it shows how you stack up. Statistics of polls and polls where you will see how many positive and negative answer you have given. So you've finished another survey question. Answering any survey is important to earn money online. Also, the more surveys you answer, the more points you will earn. So from the start line, your little cow symbol can quickly reach the finish line, so you can continuously earn more money. So it will be much easier for this website to offer you the right projects that suit your demographic and interest. When you answer more surveys, you can get more mission and earn more money. You can click on buttons between yes and no, repeat the same question again and continue. You can do this as many times as you want because there is no limit. You can see the surveys you have answered in real languages. Remember, the more questions you answer or the more surveys you complete, the more money you earn. Now, on the another point, if you go to your dashboard, click on achievements at the top and you can see your progress. You can see how many badges and points you have. It also shows what mission you have. Thank you for following today's tutorial. If you are interested in this video, like it. In future trainings, I will deal with making money online with YouTube and affiliate marketing.